Hi, my name is Kristen Nelson, and I am a criminal defense lawyer in Denver. I direct a small organization called the Powell Project. We provide consulting services on death penalty cases in various jurisdictions around the country, and I am also starting a pilot project geared towards helping people in Colorado prisons who are serving other kinds of excessive sentences. And the book that I stand by is called Just Mercy by Bryan Stevenson. Bryan Stevenson is the executive director of an organization in Montgomery, Alabama called the Equal Justice Initiative. And the reason this book is so special to me is because I used to work there. I was a staff attorney at EJI early on in my career from 2007 until 2011. The book chronicles the story of Walter McMillan, who was an innocent Black man who was wrongfully convicted of capital murder and sentenced to death, and spent a number of years on Alabama's death row before Bryan and the team at EJI were able to secure his release after a protracted legal battle. But kind of interspersed amongst the chapters about Walter are stories about many other clients that Bryan and EJI have helped over the years, including a number of cases that were going on at the time that I was there. And chapter 12 of the book actually profiles one of my clients, Marsha Colby. She was another innocent person who was convicted of crimes she did not commit. She was convicted of capital murder for having a stillborn baby based on faulty medical evidence. And working on her case was one of the greatest privileges of my lifetime. And we were fortunately able to ultimately secure her release from prison on December 12th of 2012, which is a day that I will never forget. So this book is special to me, obviously because of the personal connection, but it's also special to me because I think it's just been a really excellent vehicle for reaching the hearts and minds of people who may not otherwise be familiar with the injustice of our criminal legal system. And it also does a really good job of giving voice to what it's like being an advocate working in this space, and explains how this work can break your heart and fill your heart all at the same time each and every day. I've had a number of friends from different parts of my life reach out to me after reading the book and say to me, now I understand why it is that you do this work. So I'm really grateful to Bryan for writing it because I think he's been able to reach a very large audience with it and has been able to shine a light on what really goes on in our criminal legal system around the country. So Just Mercy by Bryan Stevenson is the book that I stand by, and I highly recommend that you all go out and read it.